come out here for some peace and some rest. Yeah, no wonder people think they feel like they're being followed. I'm out in a rural area. I walked across the river, through the current, over the logs, down the trail, up the stream, so I could get over to here. Right? We're doing important helicopter work over your area today. I'm doing important airplane work over your area. Bunch of fucking losers. Look at me and my airplane. I got a good job flying in circles over your house all day. I'm a patriot. And well paid. I'm doing important airplane work. Slowly over your house all day. They forgot the chemtrail, so I guess they have to fly extra microwave missions. Commando solos, as they are called. Commando Soho. We meet again. Solo. Anyway, this is where the good mud is and cool rocks. Just leave that mud like down over there. I have to walk through it all barefoot to get up here. I don't have to walk through it barefoot, but I do. Most people don't. This is one of my favorite spots on the Lewis here. It's really close to the park, and since hardly anybody goes to the parks anymore, and compared to how what they used to, and even less people venture out across the stream from the parks, then I've got it all to myself. I'm king of the world.